Baby's Bonk is a collaborative single by South African producer Heavy K, featuring Tendo Umalubi and Talk Music U. Heavy K, born Kululai Sikula in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, is renowned for his Afro house productions characterized by rich percussion and melodic depth. Since his breakout in 2013 with Easy to Love featuring Busey, he has collaborated with artists like Nokwazi, Burna Boy, and Black Coffee. His music often blends traditional rhythms with contemporary house elements, creating tracks that resonate on dance floors across Africa and beyond. Tendo Umalubi is a South African vocalist known for his soulful voice and emotive delivery. He has collaborated with various artists, including Talk Music U on the 2024 single Call Me, showcasing his versatility across genres like Afro House and Amapiano. Talk Music U is a South African music producer recognized for his contributions to the Afro House and Amapiano scenes. His productions are noted for their rhythmic complexity and melodic richness, often featuring collaborations with vocalists like Tendo Umalubi. While specific information about Baby's Bonk is scarce, and the release date is yet to be announced. The collaboration of these three artists suggests a track that blends Heavy K's signature drum-heavy Afro house style with Tendo Umalubi's soulful vocals and Talk Music U's intricate production. Here's a snippet of the song.
Baby's a bonk,